my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am unboxing my July 2022 BoxyCharm base box. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty box subscription that costs $27.99 a month. And inside you receive 5 full-size products. They can be makeup or skincare or beauty tools. So we're going to unbox my box here. If you're not familiar with my channel, I do different subscription unboxings as well as luxury hauls. If you're interested in those things, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button and you'll stay up to date with me on all my latest boxings. But without further delay, guys, let's get into our box. So guys, let's get started. Let's get rid of this. Alright, so we have a card that comes in every box, guys. This is our card for the month. It says status. Okay, if you say so. On the back, we have our products, their detailed information about them, and their costs are also listed on the back of our cards here. So that's where we're starting. So let's get right into this box. And I already know that there's something in here that's a repeat because they already done sent me like a coupon code to make up for the fact that they sent me something that I've already received. So I'll know what it is when I see it. So let's start off with this product. So I have an Alley product here, and this is the Stack the Odds. This is a multi-use stacker, and it's 3 cream shades to play with. It's a highlighter, blush, and a contour. Now I love that idea, and I have Cocktail Hour in the selection that I have here, and this Stack the Odds is actually $38 is their regular price, and you're supposed to get 3 of the best-selling compacts that come with a cream blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter for a complete natural look. And I do like these cream blush kind of products. These cream products work great. And all this stinking heat that we've been receiving the last couple of weeks, they perform the best. So if you're going to heat, make sure you have some like kind of cream blush or something on, and a highlighter. They do wonders. They last. So this is how it comes right out the box, guys. And it kind of just swings open like this. So let me cover up the mirror so I don't blind everybody, but this is what it looks like, which I think is so neat. How neat is that? So the top one here is our highlighter, this is our blush here, and this is our bronzer. I don't know, that may work for me. Yeah, that looks like that'll be a good color bronzer. What you guys think? I think it'll work. You know, with darker skin tones, some stuff you put it on is like, no, not today. Let me do a quick swatch of all 3 so I can show you guys. So guys, this is how all of these colors are showing up on me. I really like the way the highlighter looks. I think the blush looks fabulous. The contour color, I still am out to lunch on that one. I'm not convinced. But the highlighter and the blush, I'm really loving those. I think they look absolutely great. I can't wait to take this with me on a trip that I got coming up. I think this is great because I can put this on and I'll look good all day with my primer underneath. So that works perfect for me. So I really like this. I think this is a awesome idea. And it says the creamy formula is buildable and infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba and sunflower oil for a natural glow. So I think that is absolutely awesome, guys. So we're going to go right ahead to our next one. Let me just wipe this off while I'm talking to you. So guys, the next product out of our box is going to be a Kate Somerville product, and this is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Now this one has a $76 value. Wow. I have received this in the past before and I do like it, but at a $76 price tag, I can't say it would be something I would repurchase, definitely. But basically this is made for people who have sensitive skin and is gentle enough for all skin types. It's a nourishing cream that is clinically formulated with moisture boosting, visible redness reducing ingredients known to soothe dry, tight skin, and it's inspired by the Relief founder Kate, who experienced as a child, and she used this to help with her alleviate her painful eczema that she used to suffer with. So that's why it was made. So I think this is great. I do suffer with a little eczema myself, so it's good to know that something like this can also work on that. But basically $78 for this, and this is only a 1.7 fluid ounce. I'm gonna just pop it out the box so you guys can see real quick. But it's just a small jar here for $78. So you're not getting a lot. So you're going to have to kind of be a little light on putting this one on your face. So let's see what our next product is. So this is our first skincare product out of the box. Let's see what we got next, right? Ah, look at that. Okay, guys. So I have a Jecca Black product, and I'm laughing because I just did my Ipsy unboxing and I had a Jecca Black product in there, and it was the primer. And this time in the BoxyCharm box, I have a Jecca Black. This is the Glow Drops. So this is to prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy natural glow. You apply all over your face and use this as your base. It says Glow Drops can be worn alone, or you can build on them and highlight to complete your makeup look. This has a $20 value, and this is 0.67 fluid ounces, so it's not that big. And this one is called Rose Petal Glow Drops. So this is what we have. So I can't wait to try it out. I haven't used this before. So yep, Glow Drops prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy natural glow. So that's good. Cool. I can't wait to try that one. So let's hit our next product. And the Glow Drops were $20, guys. So the next product I am pulling out here is made by the Beauty Crop. Is that what it is? Yeah, the Beauty Crop. This is a liquid eyeshadow duo. Oh, okay. I like these because then you have two colors on it. And it says this dual-ended wearing liquid eyeshadow. It says one side is creamy and velvet pigment matte formula, and the other side is a dazzling liquid glitter formula, and these are easy to blend and can be layered, mixed, and matched for a dose of fun. This has a $18 value. Does it say which color I have here? I have cinnamon and fudge. So I'm assuming this side is fudge and this side here is cinnamon because it has the shimmers in it. So guys, this is great for the summer, these liquid eyeshadows, simply because like I have oily lids, but I just put a base on, and I think these last pretty well kind of in the heat. So I think this was like a good choice for the box for the summertime. So that's just my opinion, but this is just 18 bucks, so not bad. So I have identified the product in here, which is the last product that I already have, and that is the Cupid Natasha Denona palette. I already have this. This is a dope palette though. If you have not tried this, the formulation in here, I wasn't like uber impressed when I got it. I was like, oh, what it's not any bright colors. But when I actually went to use this thing, man, these were nice. These were really, really nice. So if you have not used Natasha Denona, she's pretty well known with her eyeshadow products and how good of a blend the products are. This was an awesome palette to use. So this will probably be a gift to somebody or something. But I have already used it. There's no point in me opening it. It's not necessary. Alright guys, so this is my box. We have, how many makeup products? We have the liquid eyeshadow, we have the Natasha Denona, we have the Alley-Oop, and we have these Glow Drops, which they said can work like a highlighter. So technically we have 4 makeup products and we have 1 skincare product. So that's not bad for a BoxyCharm box. They normally split me down the middle, but I have actually 4 makeup products and 1 skincare. So I think that's dope. Guys, let me know if you tried any of this. I'm really hyped about this Alley-Oop product here. and the liquid eyeshadow here. I'm really hyped about these two things in a box, so they're my favorite right out the door. But guys, let me know what you thought about my box this month for July 2022. Let me know if you used any of these products before and how they worked out for you. And guys, again, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little small channel here out on YouTube. But until next time, guys, I will see you later. Have a blessed day and an awesome summer.